Oh, it's rubbing. So on today's episode of Murder Van Chronicles, we are straight piping the murder van. Let's get this show on the road. What's the plan?
What? Plan is...
Oh, you got queso?
You come over here.
All right.
There's a lovely exhaust system that Chrysler installed from the factory now. The problem is
that coolant? Looks like coolant to me.
Okay. Yeah, that's a feature. All right, so
if you cut it right here.
Yeah. So Chrysler,
oh yeah, saw off right.
They install this from the factory, but they give you in the user manual. They say if you're gonna use it on the racetrack, you can just take it off. So
okay, yeah. So right at that bend, I would say, right after the hanger. That way, it's still got support.
Right.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this. Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna have to put some pressure. Just push up on it. It's gonna have to go. What kind of blade is that actually?
It's a blade.
Is it a wood blade or is that?
No, it says carbide.
I'm saying, but is it for cutting wood or metal?
I don't know.
All right, well,
just try it.
Just go for it. It's gonna be a loud minute, but if you do it,
nail embedded wood.
Yeah, exactly. So it's for wood, but
so that ain't gonna work.
Oh, it'll work. You just gotta apply some pressure to her.
Yeah, she'll work.
You want to try, Jake?
I've done it before, but you got to be strong with it. It's gonna be a lot harder than a metal blade.
Push up on it, cause.
Why not?
Oh.
Yeah, go.
She's struggling.
Go. Oh, this little battery ain't enough for you?
Yeah, it hurts.
It hurts. Shut up.
Come on, baby.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, we'll start.
Yeah.
If you want,
there you go.
Here, see.
It's cut through. You just gotta push up.
All right. Now we gotta take the rest of the back off.
You want to cut it off here too, then, so it doesn't shake around too much. We'll just cut it off by the hanger here.
Bo, does your car?
Why don't you just pull the whole thing off?
I have that jacket in there from yesterday. So.
You're gonna deploy
we gotta start it so we can move it now, so we can jack it up.
All right, perfect.
You want to start it?
Here.
Record these off. If it's super loud, shut it off. I don't want to piss my neighbors off.
Whatever.
Don't rap it. Oh my god.
She's actually not that loud.
That's awesome. That's great.
Yeah, she's not even loud.
You need to get under low though. That was only like 1,500 RPM.
Yeah, that's not a lot. That's good though. That's good.
Drag it.
Dude, she chopped. It sounded like a V8. Go back farther. It's the same spot.
One
Preston.
One nuggie.
What you got here?
My nuggie dispenser.
Dip. Munch. Set up
You gotta have
straight.
another pocket sewed on for the exhaust.
No, that would be cool.
So we are now proceeding to chop off another section of the exhaust just to make sure that we get proper airflow and less rattle. Overall, it'll be a 10 out of 10 job. West Coast Custom Special.
I'm Ryan Friedlinghouse, and welcome to West Coast Custom.
He sits.
From the top, if you can. That was hard.
That's funny as fuck.
So here we have two idiots trying to chop off some exhaust hangers with a wood blade on a battery-powered Sawzall. You got Preston over here eating queso with a work uniform on. He kills me. I always bust out the same piece of cardboard to go under something with. He has a creeper. So the exhaust is officially off. Oh. Sam's got all the beef out. He's just... So that's what was being so quiet. And that's what was really being so quiet. Weight reduction, bro.
Yeah.
How do I find the vagina hole for my jacket?
PG. Oh, I missed it. I missed it.
Sir,
I can't see it. Where's... Am I
oh
tripping?
my god! Watch this.
No.
Go fast, eat ass.
right, Jake, load the exhaust up.
So it should be in the back of the van. So we all piled up in the van ready to go.
See,
And then the grocery guy pulled up.
I'm gonna show Nick my cool little race details.
All right. Good. Right about here. So everyone's just starting to key stuff onto the van. Preston's trying to hide it from Sam because Sam doesn't want anybody to key it. Oh.
Clown.
We're gonna need 4 cans of black spray paint.
I already got 4 cans of black plasti dip.
So she won't, huh?
We're the only straight pipe clapped out piece of shit minivan
Flatfoot.
in the Midwest. Actually, take that back.
Oh, it shoots flames!
Do it again.
Alright, slow down! Oh, it smells so bad. There's definitely a flame underneath me.
The bag.
Open it.
Needed it for something. Oh, 1 tire, low pressure.
Yeah, that's been like that since we bought it.
Oh, sick.
Here, Jake.
Get out and do it, because you're telling everybody else what to do. They're judging us over here.
Press, Jake, camera.
Huh?
All right, chill.
You gotta do a star pattern now.
We gotta jack it up so we can actually get the real seat on the hub.
Pit stop going on here. Had a minor shake at around 120 or 50, you know, depending on how you look at it. You're gonna get pulled over at the next stoplight. And on that note,
I'm gonna take a vote and say we should never drive this thing again.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Ready to put my seatbelt on.
should I grab one? Should I grab one?
All right. Take off, leave.
Brake check.
Jump in.
I broke my fucking toe.
You're lying. Jump in the van. Close the doors, boys.
Did you kick the door?
What'd you do?
No, I just like ran. I stepped on my own fucking toe. I don't know. Ow.
The fucking rape pan. It's so creepy. Just a dull roar. Like a brrrr.
Alright,
Howdy.
everybody went up.
Howdy.
This is so. Like it?